Hey there! So, you saw this video from this random Miss Orchid girl on the internet potting her orchids in full sphagnum moss and decided, well, let's try it out and see how it goes. But oh no, you managed to put a little bit too much water and now the pot has been staying wet for a week and it's not drying out. How do we fix this without disturbing the orchid? Simple. We get a paper towel and we put the pot on top of the paper towel. The paper will start to immediately just soak the water from the pot. The good news is, being that the sphagnum moss is so wicking, you will not have a dry layer here and a wet layer at the top. Everything will even out. The more you let the pot on the paper towel, the more water it will absorb. You can also do this on a microfiber cloth or pretty much any type of very wicking cloth. Bonus, you can dry the cloth and reuse it. If you don't have sphagnum moss strands poking through the drainage holes, get a pair of tweezers and pull out a few strands. What you need is some strands of sphagnum moss come in contact with the absorbent cloth or paper. So whether you are just trying this setup up and you discover that your pot stays a little bit too wet, or the weather has been playing some tricks on you and cool down has caught you by surprise and you just don't feel safe having a pot full of super soaking sphagnum moss, this is how you remove the water from it. You do not need to press it down, you do not need to remove the orchid from the pot, you just gotta let it sit on an absorbent material. Mind you, from sphagnum moss, water will not drain. Sphagnum moss is very good at keeping that water in. So I hope this will come in handy, and if you're trying these setups, let me know how it goes. So that's about it. Bye!